Here's why this spicy pineapple margarita should come with a warning label. To my new viewers and my returning subscribers, welcome to Jazz Bar where the music is smooth and the drinks are even smoother. No fancy bartending background here, just me, some bottles, and a strong belief in trial and error. If you're here for good cocktails and even better excuses to drink at home, you're in the right place. So to my initial question, why does drink needs a warning label? It's honestly because it may cause confidence, a little sweating, and unplanned dancing. Just like this guy right here. Take a couple sips and I'm already dancing, y'all. Alright, let's jump right in and let's make a spicy pineapple margarita. Gotta rim it with Tajín because flavor should hit before the drink even does. Depending on how spicy you like your life, for the kick, we add 1 to 2 slices of jalapeños. Next, half an ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 ounces of tequila, then 1.5 ounce of pineapple juice, tropical and juicy, and half an ounce of agave syrup to smooth it all out. Throw in some hand flavored ice and we shake. Look at that pour. Clean, steady, and no drama. This pour is giving green
This one?
flags.
It's a straight flavor ambush. That pineapple hits first. That spice creeps up like surprise. I'm not just here for fun. Oof. Damn. And that Tajín-rimmed brings all the flavor together. That citrusy, chili, salt. It really is a flavor ambush. Honestly, man, this drink is straight 8.5 out of 10. It's good. It was delicious. I recommend this. Cheers, y'all. And there you have it, an easy cocktail recipe anyone can do at home. Trust me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. If you're vibing with this, hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.